Welcome to a guided meditation for motivation on Declutter the Mind. In this practice, we'll use mindfulness and affirmations to help us follow our inner guide and build up some motivation. So, whether you're seeking motivation to fulfill goals or form a habit, you have everything within you to increase your motivation. Just like with forming a meditation practice, consistency is important. So when you see progress, you become more motivated. So with that, let's find our seat. Whether it's on a chair or cushion on the floor. And with our eyes opened, starting with a few big, deep breaths. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And on the next out breath, gently close your eyes. Lacking motivation is often a symptom of something else. So it might be boredom, uncertainty, fear, depression, anxiety. So to start, notice what feelings or perceptions you're bringing into this practice today. And we want to just sit with it. There's no judgment here or resistance or trying to change it or adding a story to whatever you're feeling. And now let's bring our attention to the body breathing. Simply notice the body breathing on its own. There's nothing you need to change or add here. And now imagine that as you watch the breath, with each in-breath, your body is breathing in positive energy, confidence, excitement, and motivation. And with each out-breath, your body breathes out fear, uncertainty, and anxiety. And repeat this visualization for the next few moments. And now visualize yourself breathing in opportunities, goals, and things that you want to accomplish. And exhale into relaxation. And whenever your mind drifts off or wanders, or you begin to tell a story about your visualization, simply bring your mind back to the breath. And we can use this breathing exercise and visualization whenever we need to motivate ourselves, whenever we need to get work done, or we have the urge to procrastinate. And see too if you can recall the last time you were very motivated, the last time you were excited and energized to get that thing done or follow through that good habit. And see if you can actually recall the feelings and that mindset at that time. And now picture yourself in your mind in the easiest way that comes to you. And now visualize yourself at your most motivated. Visualize yourself working through obstacles, overcoming procrastination, thinking about and planning your pathway to success. Visualize yourself motivated to put that hard work in. Visualize yourself executing and getting things done. And now, to close out the practice, let's repeat a few affirmations to ourselves. So, in your mind, repeat, I am working hard and being productive. I have it within me to become motivated. I can become energized and excited about what I need to do. And now, for the final few moments of the practice, just let go. Allow your mind to do what it wants for the next few moments. And now, open your eyes. Thanks for sitting, and may you have a motivated day.